What's happening with Mad Max? Ooh-wee. Somebody's building something.
Somebody's building something.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. I can't tell you people what it is till it's done. No, it's not a bed.
It will be bad. It will be
It'll
done.
be. It'll turn into a bed. It can turn into a bed. Just need to put the trim on. Up there. Over there. You start building.
Boards together.
Right. We're playing Jenga. Right?
Yeah, something like that.
We got the Max Air fan coming. That's gonna go up there. We're gonna put in new walls, new insulation, a new ceiling. It's gonna be tongue and groove pine. Is that pine or ash? Pine?
Pine. It's all pine. It's all fine.
It's fine that it's pine.
It's
exciting. It's probably gonna be a huge difference when I get back. When I get back home, I can't wait.
When you get back home, I'll be living in it.
Probably.
Too short.
It's gonna be awesome. And then we're gonna put a sink and a counter there. Over here is gonna be a bench seat with a toilet. Under the sink counter is gonna be a refrigerator. And we're gonna have a sink and a pump, faucet, fantastic fan, LED lights, USB ports. Underneath this is where we're gonna create. You'll be able to lift, and underneath it will be battery and the power station, things like that. But I thought that would give you just a small glimpse of what's going on. Okay, update. Well, here's the deal. We were going to do a U-shaped couch, and then the center would fill in, so it was going to be a couch that went like this. And then the center would fill in right here when we wanted to turn it into a bed. But now we know why everybody puts a bed in their van. Because when you go to sit on it, if you make it too high, the couch, your head will hit the ceiling. And then if you make it too short, or short enough, which would have been sitting right on the wheel wells, it would have been sitting right on top of the wheel wells, your knees are at your throat. You can't really sit on it. So we're going to the bed idea. So we can raise it up, and we can store underneath. We have to do a power center, stuff like that. So, and you gotta make your own cushions for the couch. You have to, get your pillows for the back of it. Where with the bed, your only investment is the mattress, which is like $200. If you get one you can cut, because the dimensions on a full or a queen will not fit in here. You're gonna have to cut it. So you need to get like a memory foam, and you use like a hot knife or something, but I'll show you when we get it. So we are going back to the bed idea, and then we'll have a bench over here, which will have a toilet inside it, and then against this back wall, or here, we're gonna do a kitchen sink. I'm thinking I am more interested in doing it here or here, but since we want the bench with the toilet and extra seating with seat belts, it's a best that we just build it here. Then we can store the refrigerator under it, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so that's kind of where we're at. It just never ends. But yeah, the U-shaped couch would have been really cool. It's just too short to sit on. It's weird. Alright, guys. So that's the update. And I'm going to try to get this up today so that you have your video for the week of the progress. And we got a lot to do. Alright, bye, guys.